Unlock the full potential of your Canon R5 for tethered shooting and seamless workflow with Eos Utility. First, you need to download and install the Eos Utility software. Go to the Canon support website for your R5 and locate the software downloads section. Be sure to select the correct operating system for your computer. Once downloaded, run the installer. Follow the on-screen prompts, agreeing to the terms and conditions. The installation process typically takes a few moments. Now, let's prepare your Canon R5. Turn on your camera, navigate to the camera's menu system, and look for the wireless communication settings or network settings option within the wrench icon or setup menu. Within these settings, you'll find an option like Connect to Eos Utility or Wi-Fi Bluetooth connection. Select this option. Choose Wi-Fi as your connection method, then select either Easy Connection or Connect to Eos Utility PC, Mac. To put the camera in pairing mode, the camera will display a message indicating it's waiting for a connection. On your computer, launch the Eos Utility software. You'll typically find an icon for it on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Eos Utility will automatically search for compatible cameras. If your camera is in pairing mode, it should be detected quickly. You might see a prompt to confirm the connection on both the camera and the computer. Once connected, the Eos Utility interface will display various options, such as remote live view shooting, download images to computer, and camera settings. You are now ready to control your R5 remotely, transfer files, and streamline your workflow. This seamless connection empowers you to make real-time adjustments, compose your shots with precision, and effortlessly transfer your high-quality images directly to your computer, enhancing your creative process. Experience the power of tethered shooting and elevate your professional setup with your Canon R5 and Eos Utility.